Hello, welcome to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and today it's raining. It's 10th of August 2024. I'm going for an event that is I got this invitation through Instagram from ArtHouse Collective, and the event will be in Parkstreet Social, the cafe. I went there last month, so I got this invitation and it is all about something homebrew. Let me see what is all about the event. The event date was 9th and 10th of August 2024. So 10th August today I'm going. Let's see. Hope I will have a good experience over there. So going and in Park Street Social. This is the second time. In June I came here and then in August. So I'm very excited. Oh, this is it. I'm scared of the staircase. Inside it, there were table of tarot reading, some manifestation candles are there, and jewelry was there, exclusive jewelry. Those are a bit expensive, but I got a finger ring actually, which was not
These are
expensive
the
at all. It
customized
was
jewelry,
so it was like they just gave some tables over there in social, inside social, and you can see the fragrances, aromas, and some handmade soaps as well, and clothes were there. So I was just visiting the place. I love this floral design ring, and it was only 150 rupees. This is the only one which I found cheaper. Okay, so I'm done with this Park Street Social and this event. It's a really good one, small but it's good one. So I have got jewelry from there that was affordable price, definitely. The ring I bought, that was 150 rupees, and there was a tarot reader and some smells and fragrances over there. So it was a good experience. So I think you have to follow me in Instagram, Madhurima's Kitchen, and of course MaddyBee. So that's it.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.